WASSCE 2026, May, June. Core Mathematics. Question number 2. A group of engineers completed 3/8 of a project in 6 days, working at the same rate. A. How long will it take the group to complete the entire project? B. If another group joins them and speeds up the remaining work by 50%, find the time that would be saved. A. Time taken by a group of engineers to complete 3/8 of a project is 6 days. The entire project, which is the whole project, is equal to 1, because when you sum all fractions in the system, it's equal to 1. So the engineers use 6 days to complete 3/8 of the work. What about the whole project? The whole project is more, so they will use more than 6 days. So if more, we divide by less, which is this value. So we say, therefore, the time it will take the group to complete the entire project is equal to the 1, which is 1/1, divided by the less, which is the 3/8, times 6 days. Okay, so this is equal to 1/1 divided by the 3/8 times 6 days. This is equal to 1/1 times, then we reciprocate this, so it will be 8/3 times 6 days. 3 goes into 3, 1. 3 goes into 6, 2. 8 times 2, 16 days. So the engineers will use 16 days to complete the entire project. B. If another group joins them and speeds up the remaining work by 50%, find the time that would be saved. Okay. B. The remaining work is 1 minus the work that has been done, which is 3/8. So this is equal to, we find the LCM of the denominators, which is 8. 8 goes into 8, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Minus 1 goes into 8, 8. 8 times 1, 8. Which is equal to 5/8. So this is the remaining work. The engineers used 6 days to complete 3/8 of the work. Now, the remaining part of the work, which is 5/8, is greater than 3/8. So in this case, the engineers are going to use more than 6 days to complete the remaining part of the work. So if more, let's divide. So we are going to divide this more by this less. So that is the more divided by the less times the 6 days. So we have 5/8 divided by 3/8 times 6 days. Now we have 5/8 times, then we reciprocate 8/3 times 6 days. 8 goes into 8, 1. 3 goes into 3, 1 goes into this 2. 5 times 2, 10 days. B. In mathematics, anything original is 100%. So the original team used a rate or speed of 100% to complete the remaining part of the work in 10 days. And we are told from the question that another group joins and they speed up the work by 50%. So we say that when another group joins the original team, the new speed or rate became or is equal to 100% plus the 50%, giving us 150%. So time taken to complete the remaining projects when team became bigger is equal to the 100% over 150% times 10 days. So percentage cancels percentage, 0 cancels 0. So here 5 goes into this 3, 5 goes into this 20. So it becomes 20 over 3 days. Therefore, time that would be saved is equal to the 10 days minus the 20 over 3 days. So 10 over 1. We find the LCM of the denominators, which is 3. 3 goes into 3, 1 times 20 is 20. 1 goes into 3, 3. 3, 10, 30. So this is equal to, we subtract the numerators, it gives us 10 over 3 days, which is the same as 3 whole number 1 over 3 days, which is equal to, now one may ask, do we have 1 over 3 days? Yes, it is 1 over 3 times 24 hours. 3 goes into 3, 1 goes into 24, 8 hours. So better still, time saved will be 3 days, 8 hours. Subscribe, like, share, and discuss with your friends. Thank you.